Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday 24th of the May 2021, the beginning of the trading week. So let's take a look at the Forex calendar. As you can see, during the London session we don't have any important data release, only 5 past 12 p.m. Bank of Japan Governor Kurods will give a speech, kind of an important speech, I guess. 3 stars here. Then we have leading indicators data from China, and during the New York session we have plenty of speeches for today from the various FOMC members and Bank of England and MPC members as well. So plenty of speeches, no data for today. So let's do a review of some Forex pairs. First pair I would like to review is US dollar to Japanese yen. This is daily time frame chart, as you possibly know it. Let me just zoom in to the nearest possible level. There you go. Fifth wave top is around here, 110.97, and since then we are trading sideways. We've done ABC decline just below 38% of the Fibonacci retracement. We got a bounce here with the wave A, retracement wave B, bounce again wave C. I guess this would be the wave D and maybe even wave E. So this kind of a triangle here might have been completed. So ABC to the downside would be the wave highest degree wave A. This supposed to be triangle might be ABC ED ABCDE triangle, and now we should go lower. We are already trading below this blue trend line. We are heading towards the technical support located at 108.41. the other one is at 108.18. so we might hit those two levels. Of course, the lower we go, like 38%, the lows of the 23rd of the April 2021 at 107.50 or even lower is even better for the Japanese yen, because that would mean that dollar is being sold and the Japanese yen is being bought back up. So this kind of a move would be wave C in progress. So this would be wave A, wave B triangle, wave C to the downside in progress. I guess the target for the wave C would be then somewhere around the level of 61%, because there is important technical support as well. 105.75 technical support, 105.81, 61% of the Fibonacci retracement of the whole here move up, yeah, of this whole move up. So very interesting. So far is going good. So if the US dollar is being sold, so what is going on the US dollar index? Let's just take a look. US dollar index is, as you can see, following our path of another wave to the downside. Of course, we got some consolidation here around the level of 89.65. Why we consolidate here? We are consolidating here because the next target is the wave C low, 89.15, and this target for the wave C low is the this year's low as well, low from the 6th of the January 2021, 89.15. so if we break below 89.65, then we have only 50 pips to go to the yearly lows on the US dollar index. But please remember this would be the wave C low. So this is another free wave decline, and the free wave decline is again corrective in nature. So we might expect a kind of a reaction. As you can see, I got my blue arrow here, a reaction from 89.15 if we ever get there. So far bulls are already defending the level of the lows of the wave, supposed to be wave B from the 25th of the February 2021, lows at, of course, 89.65, 66. So please keep an eye on this this current development. The other technical resistance is seen at 90.38, and of course the key technical resistance in a short term is the old wave B top at 91.41. As long as we trade below this level, as long as we trade inside of the channel, as long as we trade below 90.38, we cannot say anything about uptrend resumption. And please notice the last resumption of the uptrend was only in 3 ways, and we have labeled it A, B, and C. So it was corrective again in nature, and the long-term trend on the US dollar, long-term multi-year, is still down. As you can see, we got our top made on the in the March 2020 when the COVID pandemic started, but before the COVID pandemic, at the beginning, end of the February, beginning of the March, we had started a downtrend. Then we have the COVID pandemic, panic buying of our US dollar, and since then we are still going down. We have resumed this downtrend started basically on the 20th of the February 2020. So this is still a downtrend in progress toward the lows of the 2018 on the February 2018, made at the level of 88.25. So this is the next target, next long-term target for the US dollar. So if the US dollar is going down, is gold going up? Let's see if the gold is going up. What kind of a market correction we got here, and apparently, as you can see, we are going up. We are indeed going higher. We've been following this scenario here, the scenario of the channel. The channel breakout or the channel trading. As you can see, the bulls tried to break higher above the channel, but they were capped. But the bulls already broke above the blue trend line, right? So this trend line is kind of important. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row. We have green candles, and so up days, and we are trading towards 1,900. This is our next target. The market conditions, as you can see, are at the level of 73 points on the RSI on the 14 period. So this is overbought market condition, but we still can hit the 1,900 level in order to, of course, made this level a technical resistance and recognize technical resistance. The next, eventually, the next zone for bulls is, of course, the zone market here on the chart as this this rectangle here. Let me just adjust it to the newest data. This data is somewhere here. So this is the zone between the levels of, let me just move it a little bit up, there you go, 1,994, 1,965. So that's like a $30 level zone, excuse me. So that's the ultimate zone for the bulls, but they are doing very, very well. In order to see some bigger decline, we have to decline more than, let's say, 2.5% to consider this move inside of this channel as completed, right? So for now, outlook is bullish. We are getting closer to the next technical resistance, and we are still getting closer to the key supply zone. We already broke above this trend line resistance. Nevertheless, a little bit overbought market conditions. We might see some consolidation, some pullback, some testing of the trend line, but we got technical support at 1,848 and 1,865. So as long as price keeps trending above these two levels, in the short term we still can expect another push to the upside. So if the gold is going up, what is S&P 500 doing? Is it going down? As we can see, very interesting thing is going on the S&P 500. Yeah, we broke out of this gray channel. We got short-term ascending channel here, acceleration channel towards the target at 161% of the Fibonacci extension of the one of this wave up, 4,270. We never reached this target. We have a bearish engulfing, 2 days down, a break below 4,084 points, almost hit that next technical support 4,020, and since then we are consolidating between these two levels. I mean the highs, the recent highs. Let me just put the recent highs on the chart. There you go. The recent highs 4,239, and of course the technical support 4,020, like 220 pips of points of a zone. But this picture is still unclear whether the market wants to go up or wants to go down. The recent high from the 14th of the May 2021 is still acting as a technical resistance for the price. As you can see, the price was rejected from 4,184. So if we want to get above this level, we can still consolidate here in this zone, or even during the, if the bears will pressure the market strong enough, we can test the 4,020 or 4,000 points level as well on the S&P 500. So please keep an eye on the current market situation. And of course, let's take a look at the Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? The Bitcoin is going down. The Bitcoin is going down hard. There is still no attempt to rally higher. The 41,893 level had been rejected, and the market went down. During the weekend, it almost done another test of $30,000 level. We got the lows of 31,137, which is very close to 30,000, and it looks like this move down might not be that easily completed. So please keep an eye. Two levels here: the lows of the 19th of the May, which are at $29,701, and of course the technical resistance. It looks like a key technical resistance right now, $41,893. So please keep an eye on the current developments, and the breakout to the upside means that ABC correction is done. Breakout to the downside means the correction is being extended. So one of this scenario will take place sooner or later. So please keep an eye on the levels mentioned in this analysis. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Take care and bye bye.